It's Bonnie. Happy Friday! I am back. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful out. A little cold, but a beautiful November day, and I've got so much cool stuff. We're going to talk about the Wallflower fragrance refill sale today at Bath and Body Works. It's a good one at $275. Oh my goodness, look what I got. We're going to talk about the Goose Creek elf candles. I am so excited for that collection. That video is coming up. And what else do we have? Lots of good Bath and Body Works stuff coming later. I actually am going out this evening, and I won't be back until a little bit later, so I might do a late night video, but I want to get these couple of videos in because I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So Bath and Body Works today, by the way, Coco is going crazy. She's getting a bed in the mail. I gotta talk about this bed. Her bed could be arriving. That may be why she's excited. Let me get my calculator up here. So today, Bath and Body Works is doing the Wallflowers for $275. This is a really good price. They're calling it the lowest price of the season. I would agree. Usually they don't go lower than $275. I think you can use a coupon in the store though. Let me see here. Bath and Body Works. Where am I? Use the code FESTIVE online, and then in the store, it's not saying you need an email code, so I think you can actually use just a coupon if you have one. So that's a really good deal because then it takes them down to $220. There's lots of really cute wallflowers for $16.95, so you can use your app reward. There's the Mushroom Gnome, the Santa, the Menorah Nightlight, the Mrs. Claus, and then of course there's a lot of new scents like Raspberry Thumbprint. I'm like, I gotta get into this store because I really, really want the Raspberry Thumbprint. So I actually went in the candle dungeon downstairs and I pulled a couple of last year's Wallflower plugs. I got a lot of Christmas ones. I can't decide if I'm going to get any more Christmas this year. I'll have to see if any of them appeal to me. These are actually the light ups. This one's supposed to twinkle from last year, and this is one of the projector ones. But a lot of times if you wait for a sale, you'll be able to get these. So what I wanted to do today is do a little demo. I always do a demo when I talk about the Wallflowers because they're a little complicated to use. If you've never seen one, they look like this. I always suggest trying them. I usually use them like on Saturdays when I'm cleaning. I get the house smelling really good. I love using the balsam one behind the Christmas tree. This is a twisted peppermint from last year. So this is what the bulb looks like. What you're gonna do is on the top there's an arrow that like I can't even see, but it's I always say this. People are probably so sick of me. Throw righty-tighty, loosey-lefty out the window and go the opposite direction that you're supposed to. Because a lot of people, they try and open it and they're like, I can't open it. Turn it the other way. And then what you have is a wick on top. Oh, it smells so good. Twisted peppermint. And then what you're going to do is, actually, I never even took my plastic off of this one. I don't know why I never opened this one last year. I thought I demoed this one out. Maybe I didn't. So you're going to take, flew everywhere. You're going to take the plastic wrapper off, and then you're going to be left with the unit and the plug. I mention this in all my videos because it's so neat. You know, in the bathroom and the kitchen where you have those like GFIs, the plug turns. Nobody knows this until I tell them. So this way you can put it in those side plugs because you never want to turn the unit sideways. It won't work right. So here it is. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the wick, and there's like a little hole right here. And then you're just going to gently screw this in. Again, it's the opposite way that you actually think it would screw in. Don't over tighten it. And then you're all set to plug it in. So this is what it looks like. A lot of them have the scent control on the side where you can do low, medium, high. This one does not. And then what'll happen is after you plug it in, the scent starts to come out. And these are supposed to last a couple of weeks. A lot of people have said it all depends on the scent. Some scents are stronger, some last longer. I usually keep mine going for like 4 to 6 hours during the day, like when I'm cleaning. And then what I do is I recap mine, and then I put the little label back on, although it is etched in the top. I can never see it though. And then what I do is I have this little storage unit right here. Mine are all falling over because I need some more. I usually fill this storage unit up each year with like new ones. And then what I do is I have all my seasons and I just kind of choose one out of here. So that's kind of how I use mine. But you can use, leave these plugged in 24/7. The reason I don't keep mine going is because I review so many candles. I don't want like a secondary scent kind of messing with that. This one's really pretty though. I love the light up projector one. So we have that. Raspberry thumbprints new, golden berry mistletoe. I don't even think I'd like that one. The new woodlands, of course, the classics like spiced apple toddy, pistachio toasted vanilla. I want to get that one. I usually get a Merry Cookie every year. The new To All a Good Night, Bright Christmas Morning. Let's see, Vanilla Bean Noel is always a good one. Cinnamon Caramel Swirl, one of my favorites. Winter Pear Forest. I don't like that. That was that green candle that Lenny and I were talking about. Spiced gingerbread. There's a new Holiday Village projector light. I gotta get a picture of that. That's actually kind of cute. I don't know. I usually buy like one projector for Christmas each year. There's a champagne bottle. White Iris and Cedarwood. That's a new scent. But definitely go through the list. Today is the day to buy your wallflowers because they're super giftable. I give a lot of these out for Christmas. There should be coming upcoming sale where you get like a plug for like $4 or $5. They always do like a plug day sometime in November. So lots of good sales coming up. Let me know if you're shopping today for the wallflower refills. It is an excellent deal. I will be back in a few minutes. We got to talk about the Goose Creek Elf Collection. I will see you guys then. Bye-bye.